Hi, Centaurus IB students. Welcome back to school, week 2 virtual learning. I'm going to go through the slides of what you need to be doing this week, okay, so that you are clear on what's happening. So last week we had a little confusion with Schoology and not confusion, Schoology was just down and it was very frustrating. So what I've decided to do is switch over to Google Classroom exclusively with the exception of their the testing quizzes. Okay, so everything this week is in Google Classroom. That's the only place you need to go. So your daily assignments are listed on these slides that are posted in Google Classroom, and your attendance check-ins are there as well. So this week you're doing a discussion question, Flipgrid, and I've got a new Google Hangout link as well that's linked in Google Classroom. So don't go to last week's link because I won't be there. It'll be like going into an empty classroom. My office hours this week are Monday from 1 to 2 and Wednesday from 12 to 1. And you're more than welcome to email me anytime. I try and get back to students if it's during the school day. This unit is soil systems and human food production and societies. As I posted in the Google form, I think we're going to do 2 different paths this time. I will tell you that the first week of each path are identical to each other, but I do need you to make a decision on which path you'd like to take by the end of the day Monday, so I know if I have enough people committed to do this, I'm going to plan the unit, and I want to plan it if no one's going to do it. Path A is just traditional reading guides, some virtual labs, a couple quizzes, perhaps some attendance check-ins every day as well, and a test. Path B is a little more non-traditional, so that would be taking an online gardening course through OSU and watching a movie. Also, the movie's The Biggest Little Farm. And also there'll be daily attendance check-in and quizzes based on the gardening topics, as well as your assessment will be a report documenting your process of creating and designing a garden. This path does require parent permission because it is going to cost some money, as well as space. You don't have to garden in the ground. You can actually do container gardening if that's something you like to do. Okay, so let me know by the end of the day on Monday, along with a parent email from you, please, if you'd like to do that path. So our week at a glance is here, and as I said earlier, both paths this week are identical to each other. So what are we going to be working on this week? Well, here are some slides that you can use to kind of get you thinking about topic 5.1. There's a video, and then there's some notes from another teacher that has done an extensive, nice slideshow. There's some notes that I've posted here as well on things from your textbook. And then Monday, your task is to take topic 6 unit assessment, okay? And that is actually in Schoology, so you will need to be in Schoology for that. And then also make sure to have your parents email me by the end of the day. So your tasks are listed there. On Tuesday, you're going to start Reading Guide 5.1. You'll have 2 days to do that. And again, I put your attendance check-in questions on each slide, but these are posted in Google Classroom. So go ahead and read these in advance so you kind of know what you're doing. Wednesday, again, Reading Guide 5.1. So you have 2 full days to work on that. Thursday, you're going to do a virtual lab on porosity and permeability. So porosity is just how porous something is, and permeability is how much water can get through that soil. It's pretty straightforward, but please let me know if you have any questions on those. And then that's a virtual lab. That's just a picture of it. And then on having a hard time seeing what day we're on. Friday is not the porosity and permeability lab. However, Friday is you're going to do a video. So the video is called Stop Treating Our Soil Like Dirt. So you'll watch the video and answer a question in the Google discussion for the day. The video is only about 9 minutes long, so Friday's kind of a light day just for planning purposes. Hope you're doing well and having a nice Sunday. And I can't wait to see you in our online class tomorrow and Tuesday. Okay, take care.